Good morning. This is Mark. It is Monday, November 4th, 2019. And it's about 2:45 in the morning, a.m., November 4th, 2019. Had a dream about gourmet food. And I was eating and there was no problem. There was no problem at all. It might refer to my spiritual life. I was in a grocery store and I was sitting with somebody else. We were sitting underneath a big shelf at a grocery store. The shelf was way above us. And someone was hanging down from the shelf and giving us wine and giving us gourmet food. And that was pretty much the end of the dream. It was just gourmet food and I was eating it. I might have been sitting on the floor, but I'm not sure. But we were eating gourmet food, I and somebody else. Drinking wine. And it was good. I don't remember much more. Thanks. If anybody knows what it means, please tell me. I think it's a positive dream. I think it's spiritual food, maybe. Food for the soul. Bye.